Storm Babette continues to bring heavy rain and flooding. On Friday morning, we issued a new red weather warning covering parts of eastern Scotland for the whole of Saturday. The warnings for the rest of Friday are amber and yellow. We've got a lot of cloud covering the country, and it's all feeding in from the east.
And a good morning from Wet Wales. This is Richard Vincent, your sturdy reporter, reporting for RJ&JT News. We are in North Wales right now, and the rain has been going on for nearly 24 hours solid at a hefty pace. So we tried to go out this morning to take the car to the garage, and unfortunately we had to turn back. Every road we went down was just either flooded or the police had cut us off because there was an accident. So hopefully nothing too serious, and we've managed to get ourselves now back to the campsite. But let me just show you what we're dealing with here. So as you can see, we've got ourselves pretty much parked up on the only sort of dryish, hard standing. The driveway itself is flooded all the way through to the field itself. Let me show you, we do have one hardy camper still on the field who's been here for a number of weeks. So this rain started yesterday at around 2-3 o'clock yesterday afternoon. It is now almost midday, and this is expected to carry on until around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning. So by no means are we past the worst of it yet. As you can see, it is still coming down pretty heavy at the moment. It's a big weather front that's been coming in from the south, and yeah, it's not going to move through until tomorrow. So all we can do is get ourselves back in the van, and we'll just have a nice cozy day there. The police are just turning everybody round back there, so might be better off. And it's quite deep just there as well. Yeah. The police are turning people round back there, and there's quite a lot of deep water just there, so you might be better off turning. Yeah, I've seen it. Yeah, I've just come through there. Thing is, at the crossroads I want to go right anyway, so I should kick early. So yeah, that's where I live. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's flooded there, yeah, but if I go the other way and come down to where the Corwin crossroads is, hopefully I can just turn right there, because I've just... Yeah, so... See ya. Brilliant. Still filming?
Yeah.
Oh, fantastic. Alrighty. I think that's it though for now. I think that's the worst of the floods.
Well, the car, I can't get to the garage anymore because it's flooded. Oh dear me. What a shock, guys. What a shock. Can you see all that flood down there? Oh dear me.
Oh dear. Okay. It's like going through a bloody river.
Look all that flood.
No.
Well, we made it to the
Made it to the garage.
Made it
whether
to
we
the
can make it back
garage.
to the campsite.
to get the motorhome filled up and then head back home again to the campsite. Right, that's not going to fill the pan up.
Well, I'm not filling it up, but I'm putting a bit in because we need some.
Well, he's going to put a bit in anyway. So,
Right. So that's your quick news flash from RJ&JT News. My name's Richard Vincent, and for now, stay in, stay dry, stay safe.